Back at it again here with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. I'll ask for in return is for you guys to smash that like button. Let's see if we can get today's video over 30 likes. And here we are with MULLEN stock, Mullen Automotive Inc. going back into a dip area and trying to find support at a critical level. We need to break down what's going on in the charts, but MULLEN stock was not the only stock falling today. The overall market fell as well, and our SPY bot since 10:05 a.m. sent out a bear indicator. The outflows crossed, as you see there on the chart. It popped back up, and then the outflows crossed with further strength, and that bear indicator stayed dominating over the chart, and put options went up 200% plus within an hour, guys. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge over the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, the QQQ bot, our newly released Tesla bot, and we have other bots on the way so that you can receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down. And this is my perspective and opinion alone, not financial advice, but having a clarity and edge over the charts makes all the difference to maximize on opportunities. And it doesn't have to be 42 vision, but if you find value in what we share here and you want to become part of a growing community of investors using these resources, check out the link down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator and getting connected over to our bots. So here we are with MULLEN stock in a dip area, trying to find support at very critical levels near the 52-week low of 32 cents. And we need to talk about an article that shares information on why the stock is reacting this way since yesterday and how is it going to possibly react going into this news, right? But before we break it all down, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. And as you see popping up here on the screen, these are some of the home runs I've managed to find this week alone. And while it's not guaranteed to be this way every single time, we strive for opportunities like these every single day. So the home run of the day was spectacular, beyond expectations. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. And by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. So these are the three stocks I mentioned this morning. All of them gave jumps at 3 to 5%, 5 to 10% plus, but one of them turned out to be a home run, and it was ARDS. We caught this one towards the bell, literally 4 minutes before the bell rang, and right there it was with strength under a bull indicator. Inflows were holding up. They weren't going up as strong as we wanted it to, but it was staying above the midpoint, full strength on 42 vision, and within minutes it hit a highest point of 20% plus, guys. If you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us, and we strive for opportunities like these every single day. So here we are with MULLEN stock, Mullen Automotive Inc. in a dip area based off 42 vision, and did a complete transition yesterday from the rip to the dip. And here we are in a dip area again at critical support levels. And I'm going to share with you guys some news that came out on an article and what it is that I'm seeing here and watching on the charts, right? So I'm going to pull up the bull and bear indicators, which you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, the QQQ bot, our newly released Tesla bot, and we have other bots on the way so that you can receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down. And you can now join the members using these resources to maximize in either direction by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts. And in today's video, I'm going to pull up the inflow versus outflow indicator, which adds that extra layer of confirmation and gives us that edge within the volatility. And slots are now open for those interested. The link is down below in the description. So here we are with MULLEN stock under a bear indicator since yesterday. Had a full strength here of transition from the dip to the rip on September 23rd. Got that bull indicator, and it was the first time that the inflows crossed the midpoint since way back here on August 31st, right? August 31st, it went from 63 cents all the way to 74 cents. And here we are with the second time it happens, and it went from 34 cents all the way to 43 cents, right? Nearly a 30% plus move. And we got a bear indicator yesterday, and it's still dominating over the chart and outflows cross, and they're still dominating here on the 30-minute, right? Now, when you zoom into the volatility, you could see here on the 15-minute how it's been trying to come back up, but those outflows got crossed, right? Since way back here on September 23rd, they stayed below all day yesterday, and today they switched from red to green. That's one step further, or closer, I would say, to hopefully trying to bring some momentum into the chart, but we're under a bear indicator again, and we're still below the midpoint here. So we have some key things to look at here based off the inflow versus outflow and the bull and bear indicators, and some key support and resistance. But before we do, let's go ahead and look at this article. So this news came out today, right? September 27th, earlier on at 10:33 a.m., right? So here we are with Mullen Automotive releasing new info on the upcoming Mullen 5 RS. This is like their big innovative technology right now. And they're talking about how much horsepower it's going to have, and also how it could go from 0 to 60 in under 2 seconds, reaching top speeds of approximately 200 miles per hour. This is really exciting for those that are car enthusiasts, and also those looking for power and also strength in a car, right? Whether it's for the track or just for efficiency on the road. So one thing the CEO stated here that was actually very interesting is how the new crossover, right, is intended to be one of the fastest vehicles on the planet, competing with some of the best, most well-known and regarded automotive brands, right? So this could be hype or speculation right now. We do not know. But the fact that it can go to up to 200 miles per hour and to 0 to 60 in under 2 seconds, it's up there. If this all turns out to be true, and the CEO is basically trying to compare, or at least put out there, that MULLEN stock is going to compete with these top brands, right? And then he states, I look forward to showcasing the vehicle on the track next spring. This is a very pivotal moment for the company, for the product, and for what the CEO has stated, whether it turns out to be hype, speculation, or true, guys. That's going to be a big deal. This is huge news. And the 5RS has been a hyped up car, and the whole innovative projection, right, of MULLEN stock moving forward for the last several months, weeks, and also all these days, right? As you go into this article here from yesterday, right? The Strikingly Different tour, right, kicks off in California in October and in Nevada November, and they're talking about how they're going to go ahead and do that tour for the 5 EV crossover, trying to go ahead and show that prototype, that concept, and try to show a product so people can start believing. So these dates are big, and here it is that it's coming up this October and then also in November. So big stuff going on here for the company itself, and this is big news here, and the CEO is pretty excited, yet the stock is going downwards, right? Some are stating that it's heavily shorted. Others believe that investors have been getting shaken out, and then there's others that are actually buying up this dip. But we're at 52-week lows, right? And this is critical levels because the 52-week low used to be 52 cents, 45 cents, 35 cents, and here we are, slightly above 30 cents, fighting to stay above 32. The first support I'm watching is 30 cents, guys. This needs to stay above 30 cents. If it gets broken through, I've seen you guys in the comments, comment down below. I look forward to seeing your thoughts down below. Do you think this could reach 25 cents or less, right? I do not see that happening, but if it does, anything is possible within the volatility. 25 cents is the next critical support level after 30. But we want to see this stay above 30 cents, right? And we want these inflows to eventually pick back up here on the 30-minute, crossover with strength, and same thing here on the 15-minute, right? We want these inflows, they switch from red to green, to get back above the midpoint and cancel out this bear indicator and get a bull indicator in the process as it breaks through resistance levels, right? Same thing here on the 30-minute. We want this bear indicator to get canceled out as this starts to go upwards and break through resistance levels. So let's talk about what are the key supports. Well, we've said it, right? 30 cents, 25 cents. If it breaks through 30 cents, we need to see what's going on within that area. And to the upside, we want to see this get back above 35 cents. And the high of the day today was 35.86. That will be crucial. Now, if that gets broken through and we can have some staircase effect forming here, right? The next resistance level is 40 cents. And above that is the recent highs of 43 cents. But these are not the critical levels that we need to actually break through. These are just stair steps, right? To get to the upside as inflows start to pick up, as there's some strength if we find support. But the next crucial resistance level above 43 cents is 48 cents, guys. 48 cents is a critical level, and then we can start talking about 50 cents plus. But keep in mind, the longer that MULLEN stock stays below $1, the higher the risk of a possible reverse split, which further dilutes shareholders. We need to keep that in mind. But dilution of a reverse split is nowhere near. The NASDAQ gave time to MULLEN stock. I'm going to be doing a video on that in the near future again, just to update on it because I've talked about it before. But I do want to remind investors of that important feature, right? Of being on the NASDAQ going ahead and telling stocks that are below $1 that they need to comply. And one of the ways that they do that is through reverse splitting, which further dilutes shareholders. Now, I look forward to seeing your thoughts down below, how you feel about this. Do you think we're going to hit newer lows or find a double bottom effect here? Because we are really close here, right? We haven't gone much lower. And if we can hold around this area, it can create that double bottom effect and possibly bounce back up. That W with full strength. And we'll need to break through some key resistance levels and those inflows to pick up. But crucial levels, right? So I look forward to seeing your thoughts down below. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. And let's make some money.